sum of the first n terms of a GP. Let us say the first term is A and the common ratio R. So the first term is A plus AR, second term, third term AR square, and so on. Nth term would be AR power n minus 1. Let us denote this sum by Sn. There is a technique to find the sum of n terms of a GP. It goes like this. Multiply both sides by the common ratio R. We would get A becomes AR becomes AR square, and so on. We get AR power n minus 1 plus this term would become AR power n. If I subtract these two equations, we get 1 minus R into Sn is equal to, these two will get cancelled, and so on. The only surviving terms are these two terms. So we get A into 1 minus R power n. Now let us look at two cases. If R is not equal to 1, that is the common ratio is not 1, what happens when R is equal to 1? If R is equal to 1, all the terms would become A, and the sum of n terms would be n times A. So if R is not equal to 1, since this is non-zero expression, I can divide both sides by 1 minus R. So this is the formula for sum of n terms of a GP. You can also write this as, if you take minus 1 common from both numerator and denominator, we would get this. In case 2, when R is equal to 1, 1 minus R becomes 0, so you cannot divide by 1 minus R. But we have already looked at that case. We get sum of n terms would be NA. So this is the formula for sum of n terms of a GP whose first term is A and common ratio R.